Hi everyone, it's that one girl Cat back again with another freaking video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this really cute hairstyle. I've been feeling this little bang recently. I got it from Amazon for like $10, so I'll make sure I put the link in my bio. I also want to introduce you guys into my product, Pink Aura Botanicals Hair Growth Oil. This is a recipe that I have formulated over about 2 or 3 years since doing my big chop. You can see more about it in my bio and on at Pink Aura Botanicals Instagram as well. But this is how I use it, like so. I just put it in my hair, moisturize it in. As you can see, split my hair into two, and I'm just going to be doing some cute little pigtails, slicking them down. You have to work really quick if you're going to use Gorilla Glue. That's the only downside to it. If I don't use this, I typically like to use the extreme gel, but this one works pretty good as well. As you can see, I'm just going to use all my upper arm strength here to get my hair into this pigtail. I really like this hairstyle because it's quick, easy, and affordable as well. If you want to do a little twist, just going to do the same thing on the other side. I like to go ahead and brush down my edges at this point so that we can slay those things down. If you guys want to see more edge tutorials or anything of the sort, I do have some shorts on my page that you can go watch. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at that one girl Cat. Okay, I'm really trying to get into the hair content side of things because I really want to get my product out there, share it with the world. Try it yourself, link in my description box, and it will be in the comments below as well. So get into that. You're gonna see me slick my edges. I'm gonna just let y'all sit back and watch that. Now that we got our edges looking laid and slayed, on to the next step, which is going to be creating the cute little buns. So I'm going to take this pack of rubber bands I have. I always like to use 2 in this process, and I eventually stack on some more, which you'll see me do. Just twisting my hair. I really wanted to go for the small tight bun look, so that's kind of all I did here, and then I did the same thing for the other side. I got these really cute Hello Kitty chopsticks from this Hello Kitty ramen kit, I'm pretty sure. I just decided to put those in my hair just to add on to the look. I'm not trying to be offensive at all with this hairstyle. I literally just think it's cute. Like, if anything, I think it's cute. I watch anime and stuff, so please don't even try to comment anything like that, okay? I went in this ramen place, and the people were literally like, oh my god, that's my culture, and stuff like that. So, you know, they thought it was cute, so you know. But I'm taking this really nice Hot Tools flat iron. I love this thing because it heats up in less than a minute. I'm taking my little bang. Y'all don't judge it. It was a little nappy, I ain't gonna lie, but this bang was only $10 on Amazon. I'll leave the link in my bio. It's also on my link tree under Amazon storefront if you want to see it. But yeah, I just really been into these little bangs. They're so cute, and they just add a completely different look to the style. And now I'm just styling the bangs. Again, I kind of don't ever really know what I'm doing. I just kind of go with the flow, as you can see. But I'm just kind of curling it, bumping it at the ends, whatever y'all want to call it. That's what we used to call it back in my day. Just kidding. I'm only 21. I'm not old yet. But yep, doing the same thing for the little long pieces. And by the way, y'all, this bang is human hair. And it was only $10. So run to Amazon. Don't walk. Hello. And I also trimmed the little bangs myself just because I felt like I wanted like the Nicki Minaj type bang thing going on, you know. Not so quite the Black China bang, more like the Nicki bang. But yep, I'm just styling it here. Later on, I realized that I had it way too close, like on my forehead. So you're gonna see me readjust it in a second here. I like to just comb it out after ironing it, styling it, shaping it. Yeah, as you see, not my type of vibe. There's too wet like that. So I moved it up a little bit higher, just like so. And it's really that simple, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what videos you guys want to see more, if I should do more hair tutorials. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless you. Bye.